In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and join Telegram channels without invitation links. Telegram channels come in two types, public and private. Public channels are searchable and open to anyone, while private channels require an invite link or approval from an admin. We'll use Telegram's built-in tools and a few trusted external resources to help you discover the channels you want. Start inside the Telegram app, tap the search icon at the top and type keywords related to your interests like crypto news, fitness tips, or travel deals. To broaden the results, tap Show More and scroll through the list. Public channels usually show their subscriber counts and let you join instantly. Just tap Join. If your results are too broad, add the word channel or a specific niche to your search terms, such as photography channel or vegan recipes channel. This helps surface the most relevant public channels faster. Next, use a web search engine to find shared invite links. Try queries like Telegram topic channel link. You'll often find links posted on blogs, community forums like Reddit, or in YouTube video descriptions. When a site lists a channel, look for context about what it offers and how active it is. That way, you're not joining a dead or unrelated channel. There are also curated directories that categorize channels by niche and popularity. Reliable options include telegramchannels.me, telemeter.io, tlgrm.eu, and telegramdirectory.org. These sites let you browse by topic and follow direct links to join. For in-Telegram discovery, helpful bots like @searchebot and @tgstatbot can suggest channels based on a keyword or category. Interact with the bot, enter your topic, and review the suggestions before joining. For private channels, keep in mind you can't join without an invite link or an admin adding you. You can try visiting t.me channel name in your browser if you know it, but access is often restricted until an admin approves you. To request access, ask in related public groups or forums. Places like Reddit's or Telegram channels are great for this. Or check comments on social posts where creators sometimes share invite links. Always verify that links point to the official T.me domain. Be cautious of channels that ask for money or personal data up front, and avoid sharing sensitive information. Private channels exist for a reason, and reputable admins prioritize security. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.